Hello students, welcome to the coordinate geometry part 1. Here we will learn about the Cartesian coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system, any point, suppose this point is there, this point A, coordinate is given as distance from the y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. So distance from the y-axis, that is equal to 4. So x coordinate will be 4 and distance from the x-axis, that is also 4. So this coordinate will be 4, 4. Here from the y-axis it is 2 only, and here from the x-axis it is 4. So this coordinate will be 2, 4 for this one. And for this one, from the y-axis is a minus 4 and from x-axis is a plus 4. So this coordinate will be minus 4, 4. Similarly here both are minus 4. This one is minus 4 and this is also minus 4. So this coordinate will be minus 4, minus 4. And similarly this x coordinate is from y-axis it is 4, from x-axis it is minus 4. So this coordinate will be 4, minus 4. So suppose this angle is theta or 45 degrees. This is 45 degree and if this is 4, then this will be 4 root 2. So if you rotate this line, so this line is also 4 root 2 and this angle will be 135 degree. Here angle is 45 degree. That is why this is 4 root 2. So cos 45 degree, cos 135 degree, cos 135 degree is 1 by minus 1 by root 2. So cos 1 minus 1 by root 2 and this length is 4 root 2. So you multiply by 4 root 2, then it is coming minus 4. And sine 135 degree, sine 135 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 multiplied 4 root 2, 4 minus 4. That means this coordinate is nothing but, suppose this length is there, L length, then L cos theta, comma, L sin theta. And what is theta? Theta is angle. So similarly here also this angle is how much? This angle is 225 degree, 225 degree. And here if this length is 4 root 2, this length is 4 root 2. So x coordinate will be 4 root 2 into cos 225 degree. That is 4 root 2 into minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. That will be equal to minus 4. And y is equal to 4 root 2 sine 225 degree. So that is 4 root 2 multiplied by minus 1 by root 2, that is equal to minus 4. So this coordinate is minus 4, minus 4. Here how much this angle? This angle is 315 degree. 315 degree. Why? Why is it 270 plus 45? So 315 degree. So here what will be the coordinate? Cos 315 degree into 4 root 2. So cos 315 degree is 1 by root 2. Positive into 4 root 2. So this is got cancelled. So this one is x coordinate is positive and y coordinate cos 315 degree sine 315 degree into 4 root 2. So this is minus 1 by root 2 into 4 root 2. So this will got cancelled. That's why it's a minus. So we have learned two things, that x coordinate will be the distance from the y-axis and that is nothing but this distance L cos theta. What is theta? Theta is angle made by that line joining the point and the origin. This angle. This angle is theta. So whether it's a second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, it will be always x is equal to r cos theta or L cos theta. Y is equal to L sin theta. What is L? L is the distance from the origin to the line joining that point. So you can say that suppose we are transferring, suppose here x axis was there. So here some point is there, 4, 4. So what will happen if you move axis by certain h? So this distance will become how much? 4 minus h, and this distance will remain 4. So this coordinate will change. Suppose this coordinate become x1. X1 will be 4 minus h, and y1 is equal to this 4 minus 0, because y has not changed. So suppose coordinate got here. Here is alpha, beta. So this one is alpha and this one is beta. Point is remain here. Suppose point is x1, y1. So in this x and in this coordinate y become how much? X is equal to x1 minus alpha and y is equal to y1 minus beta. So if the coordinate axis is shifting from 0, 0 to alpha beta, the new coordinate will be this one. So now come to the rotating of coordinates. Suppose you are rotating the coordinates, then what will happen? So suppose if the coordinate is 4, 4 and this is 4 root 2. Suppose you have rotated this coordinate, this become y-axis and this become x-axis. So what will be this coordinate? This coordinate will be 4 root 2. So what will the y coordinate? Y coordinate definitely it will be 0. So how and this angle is 45 degree. So how we have done this? R cos R remains same. R is L remains same. L is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 cos 0 degree and 4 root 2 sin 0 degree. So 4 root 2 comma 0. So now come to the if you are rotating coordinate axis, then what the coordinate will become? So coordinate will become like this. X is equal to, suppose new coordinate. New coordinate will be x is equal to x cos theta minus x cos theta plus y sin theta. X cos theta plus y sin theta, and y is equal to x minus x sin theta minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So let us solve one question. Suppose in certain coordinate system, one coordinate is 3 and 4. Suppose we have rotated by 30 degree. Rotated by 30 degree. Theta is equal to 30 degree. In new coordinate, what will be the new? Suppose in new coordinate, what will be the this coordinate? So this coordinate is this distance, and from here distance from the y-axis, this distance. So this is x, and this is x coordinate, and this will be y coordinate. So let us see. X will be how much? X will be x cos theta plus y sin theta. So x 30 degree, x what? 3, 3 into 30 degree, 30 degree is half, and plus y is what? 4, 4 sin 30 degree, cos root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, and sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So new coordinate become 3 root 3 by 2, comma 2. So coordinate system will be like this because it has to be positive. So positive perpendicular distance this one and this distance. So this is x coordinate. So this is 3 root 3, 3 root 3 by 2 and this is 2. So new coordinate become 3 root 3 by 2, comma. So this you must remember. If origin is rotated by theta angle, the new become percent. So by this formula, you can find out the new coordinate. If the axis is rotated by some angle theta. So now come to the distance between the two coordinate. Distance formula. This is called distance formula. Suppose 2 point is there, x1 by 1 and this point is x2 by 2. So 2 point is there. So this distance is by 1, this distance is x1 and this distance is x2 and this distance is y2. That means this distance is y2 minus y1 and this distance is x2 minus x1. So distance between that, suppose this is d. So d will be root over y2 minus y1 the whole square plus using Pythagoras theorem d square. So this distance will remain same even though we rotate it in this coordinate. If this coordinate is something else and this coordinate is something else, though this formula will be valid for change in the coordinate system also. So this is very useful concept and this is used in deriving the formula for complex number. How? Suppose A is there, suppose this is B is there, so this is A minus B is there. Suppose this is coordinate, so this coordinate will be, suppose this length is r, then this is r cos theta, r sin theta. So theta is what? Theta is A, theta is B, so theta is B. Here theta is B and here theta is A. So this is angle A minus B. And here the what will be the coordinate? Here coordinate will be r cos A and r sin A. So what is the distance between this? R cos A minus r sin r cos B the whole square plus under root and r sin A minus r sin B. That is the whole square. Now rotate this by angle B. So here what will be the coordinate? Here definitely it will be r because this distance is r comma 0. And what will be the this distance? So this is angle is A minus B. Then it will be this coordinate will be how much? This coordinate will be, by this formula you can derive x is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta and y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. And here x is r cos theta, so here put r cos theta. And this angle is angle between this one, cos A minus B. Plus this is r sin theta and this angle is sin A minus B, and this minus R square plus y, this one, this minus 0 square will be remain same to this. And if we equate this and find the formula, then you will get the formula cos A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus plus sin A into sin B. So rotation of axis is very important. If you rotate the axis, then the coordinate will be changed in new axis system, and that will be equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. And if and y become minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So this is very important. Thank you for the time being.